Hi guys, this is Upasna. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm going to create this colorful eye look for you guys. If you want to have the similar look, please keep on watching.
To create a bright, beautiful rainbow color eye look, first I'm gonna apply some base to my eyes just to give them some depth and definition. You can skip on this part if you already have beautifully shaped eyes. Now using a fluffy eyeshadow brush, I'm gonna apply some neutral shade all over my lid. Just to make sure eyeshadow stays in shape you want, mark a boundary using dry setting powder from the outer edge of your lower lash line till the tail end of your eyebrows. Using a flat fluffy eyeshadow brush, apply a dark matte shade on the outer triangular corner of your eyes. Now using a light brown or tan shade, give some color to your lid and blend it all towards the eyebrow. Using the same brush, apply a dark brown shade on the outer corner of your eyes. Apply a little tan shade on the lid again and blend everything with a fluffy brush to get rid of any excess before we apply a brighter shade. Using a flat eyeshadow brush, apply the mix of dark and light brown shade on the lower lash line for some definition. Make a light wing with a dark shadow on the line of dry setting powder. Using a concealer brush, apply some concealer or foundation if you don't have any concealer on the inner lid to make a cut crease. Apply the concealer in a light layer only and do not forget the lower lash line. Now using a brighter yellow shade, press the pigment on the concealer using a cut crease brush. Then apply some yellow shade on the lower lash line and connecting them on the inner corner of your eyes. Blend everything seamlessly. Using the other side of the same brush, apply turquoise shade on the middle of the lid. Make sure the color do not cross the crease line towards your eyebrows. If the color is not giving enough pigment, apply some concealer with light hands and then apply the color again. Using the light blue shade, blend the lines between yellow and turquoise. Now add some yellow and blend it seamlessly on the turquoise shade. Using an eyeliner brush or a concealer brush, make a small wing eyeliner on the outer corner of your eyes with concealer. Now add some dark or bright blue color on that concealer and make a beautiful blue wing eyeliner. Blend that eyeliner till the center of your lid. Apply the same blue shade on the lower outer corner of your eyes as well. After the wing is properly shaped, use a light pink color and blend it on the outer crease of the eyelid. Next, using a bright pink shade, fill in the gap between the wing and the center of the eye. Blend it all smoothly. Next, using a bright purple color, go over the pink area and blend it towards the turquoise shade. Make sure the end result is blended seamlessly. Then, using a small eyeshadow pencil brush, apply a beautiful subtle golden shade on the yellow of your eyelids and use it to brighten up the inner corner of your eyes. Next, using a highlighter with your fingers, apply the shimmer lightly all over your lid. Now finish off the look with mascara after curling your lashes. If you want, you can use lash primer before mascara as well. Next, for your eyebrows. Every eyebrow shape is different and unique. If you have dark eyebrows, use a pencil 1 or 2 shades lighter than your natural hair color. Next, using short strokes to mimic the direction of your natural hair, fill in any gaps. Make sure both eyebrows looks identical. Keep the color light on the start of your eyebrows or it won't look natural. Find your natural shape first. Do not copy anyone else's eyebrow shape. If you have arc, define the arc. If you have round eyebrows, define the round part of your eyebrows first. Do not overfill the eyebrows or the corner of your eyes. Keep the look natural. Using a spoolie, brush through the brows to blend any excess product and soften the shape of your brows. Apply some highlighter on the lower as well as on the upper brow bone. Now for the lipstick, I am using a liquid lipstick. When you apply liquid lipstick, apply first on your center of your lip to get rid of any excess before starting the outlining process. If you don't have a liquid lipstick, use a lip liner brush. Make sure while applying the lipstick, do not do overlining in excess. Just draw over your natural lines first and thicken it a bit on your lower lip only. Because my eyes are very colorful, I kept the lip shade very neutral. You can go for any other nude color lip shade as well. Finally, I finished off the look with some setting spray off camera. You can use water-based setting spray as well.
So that was the video, guys. Hope you liked it, and if you liked it, please give it a big thumbs up and do share it with your friends. And if you haven't subscribed to my channel, please subscribe and do ring the bell icon so that you can be notified whenever I post the next video. I'll see you guys next weekend. Bye.